Happy rainy Tuesday morning, everyone. And it is raining buckets. Well, it's kind of died down a little bit, but it's raining more than what I get out of my shower. Let's put it that way. This is Eva with Stitching in the Interlake. I hope you're all doing well today. And so, welcome to my channel. And down here is Jonah, Sir Wine-a-Lot, and Lilybell. And poor Jonah, I was looking at him this morning. He was licking his paw, his left front paw. And he was concentrating on one area. And I thought, that doesn't look good. So right where his pad is, right at the back of his paw, so right here, basically the heel, I guess. I noticed that that pad was almost cut right off. Oh, I don't know what he did. I don't know what he landed on. I don't know anything. But I looked at it. It's clean. It's not infected. It's not bleeding. So I'm praying it'll heal up soon. He seems to be doing not too badly. But he's relaxed, so he doesn't appear to be in any pain. So, alrighty. So yesterday I finally finished up that blue part. And now I've just started, this is Welcome Gnome, of course. And, okay, just wait. I'm trying to get, where's my needle? Oh, okay, right here. So now I'm working on this. Do you see where it's all green? Right there. It's kind of dark in here, and that's because of the, because it's dark outside. This morning I had, when I got up, I was up at just shortly after 5. Oh, great. Did I really do that? Did I really do that? Oh, my goodness. Why is that? Why is that? So, but anyways, there was a thunderstorm that went through here. Oh, my word. It was big crashes of thunder and flashing of lightning and that so anyways and then the power went off for about a minute, I guess. So then that's meant that I've had to change all the clocks again. So, and you know how much we all love, changing our clocks. So, okay, what have I got here? What have I got here? What have I got here? So, this morning I chatted with Juliet, and I got this. No, I don't think so. Alrighty. So we'll just take this apart. I'm not fighting it anymore. And yeah, and we're going to have our yard sale here during the community yard sale, which is the long weekend in August, which is good because I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I want to get rid of. And just a minute here, let me drag this light over here, just so that's brighter. Okay, let's see here. I did not think that I was going to have to work through this maze. Okay, let's see here. Okay. This is Cat's Cradle. Do you all remember Cat's Cradle growing up? Yeah, well, I do. Okay, where is it here? So this one is on this side. Oh, there. Yeah, that's what this is. So have I got this now? Have I got it? Have I got it? So, okay. Come on. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. So you know I had been dealing with a migraine. Well, I don't think it's totally gone yet. I thought it was. Yesterday I was feeling pretty good. And that today I'm not so much. And so as Juliet and we were talking, and I mentioned to her, I said, well, I'm going to phone over to the doctor's clinic and find out if the referral went in for the neurologist. And after I got through, I found out, yes, the referral had gone in. And so then from there, I phoned the neurologist's office and was told that, yes, they got the referral. They hadn't even gotten to me yet. And that they were booking 6 to 9 months from now. So it'll probably be in the new year when I go and when I get to see him. Okay, where am I? Right here. Okay, so there. I know you're going to have trouble seeing this because there's all this yellow background, and this is the same color. Now, why is it that they could not have done that the yellow would be yellow? You know, like, why couldn't they have done that? It would have been so much easier. But no, this happens to be, what color is this? 307. So, and as soon as I am finished with this video, that I will, I'm going to vacuum my floors. And I'm still watching here all this about these seal rescues. You know, and it's the Ocean Conservation Namibia. OCN. And my goodness, these guys are so dedicated. They are so, where they help these seals. And, oh, you have to be in such good physical condition because they run after these seals. You know, even the pups, you know, they have to run after them. But a lot of these seals are so, they have hooks in their mouth. They have nets. They have gill nets on them. They have, all kinds of plastic garbage or metal garbage around their necks or around their flippers, and it's sad. It's sad. And in Canada here, that they're going, they're phasing out single-use plastics by, I don't know if it's the end of this year or something, and then something for 2023, and then by 2025 there's going to be none. You know, so I think it's way past time. Way, way past time. You know, like they have these, you know, the plastic strips that go around products, you know, to hold them together. Or the plastic that goes around, you know, if you buy a 6-pack of drinks or, you know, anything like that. Like, that's all going to be, there's going to be no more of that. But even with them, like if you buy 6 cans or 12 cans of Coke or whatever the heck it is, and they would have these plastic rings, oh my gosh, when we were getting them there, I never liked to get them, but anyways, when we did get them, I would spend so much time there cutting all the rings apart, cutting all the gaps apart, so that if there was anything, a bird or whatever, that they would not be able to get it around their heads or their legs or, you know, whatever. And, you know, and the thing is that if I can do that, what's stopping anybody else from doing it? You know, there's no reason, even though it's going to go out in the garbage, or if we could recycle it, then I would recycle it. And, but sometimes, you know, some of the plastics you can't recycle. So, which I don't understand. I don't understand why they can't all be recycled. You know, like have it that it gets mixed up in asphalt. You know, they use broken glass in asphalt. Finally broken glass. So, but, yeah. Well, right now they're rescuing a small shark. So, because it's not in good water. So, poor shark. So, but anyway, so I see the voting is continuing. And it's, yeah, I just would like to see what will happen. And, I think nutcrackers are going to win. So we'll see what really happens, but I think nutcrackers are going to win. That's going to be the first one. Okay? That will probably be the first one. So don't think that your votes are not going to, they're not, even if you go, oh, well, I'm just voting for this one and it's not the nutcrackers. Well, there are 4 weeks in July. So there's plenty of opportunity there to get what you'd like. So, yeah. Boy, that's hard to see that green on that yellow. Well, it is to me. It is to me. So yeah, I'm finally going to vacuum. I have to try and stick Lilybell out first, because she hasn't been out for a while, since 5 o'clock, so I'm sure she has to go. Oh, I made bread this morning, so it's just, I'll have fresh bread here for lunch maybe, or I don't know. Maybe I will just have some spaghetti. Yeah, sometimes it's just a carb free-for-all that I just want carbs. So, yeah. But otherwise, that's it. There's just the rain and not much else. Oh, now they got the small stingray. That's just, oh, wow. Yeah. So, it's amazing. I love this, what they do with these sea creatures. So, I always liked oceanography too. Oh, poor shark. Poor baby shark. Don't nobody sing that song. No, no, please don't sing that. I know it's already in my head, and it'll probably be an earworm. Yeah. So, but otherwise, yeah, it's just going to be a very gray day today. Very dull. They had it that today it was 100% chance of rain. So this is our 100% chance. It's flooding out there on the ground again. So, yeah. I haven't been watching much of anything on TV. There hasn't been anything. I don't have Netflix anymore, so it's just Prime. And that I haven't found anything that's really interesting. So it's just, yeah. So yesterday I was doing much better. I went for my walk and I put the garbage out and I don't know what else I did. What else did I do? I washed the dishes yesterday. And I Juliet stopped in. I chatted with Amy for a bit. Chatted with David for a bit. Yeah, not much of anything else. So I may have to stop using this yellow here, and I might have to use work on something else, because with all this background yellow, it's bothering me. But I know that the background is in 3078, and that is 20, and that's a pale yellow. So, but this bright yellow, I wish they would have done it here for this. Or, yeah. So, yeah. I can smell my bread. So that'll be good. And, oh, yeah. Oh, this morning when I was up. Now, I don't know. I think it was a coyote, but it could have been a fox, because it was still not quite light enough. It was getting light, but I mean, it was dark anyways because of the cloud. There was whatever it was just running right down. I think it was a coyote, because it looked like it. I would say that's my first thought. And it was just trotting down the road, right there on the shoulder, not on the middle of the road, just down the shoulder. And he was doing it right, because he was walking, he was running, not flat out running, he was jogging down facing traffic. So, yep. So I'm sure they're great for keeping the rabbits at bay, or mice and that kind of stuff. So that's always good. Yeah. Yeah. So. But yeah, Jonah is relaxed. He's his paw's not bothering him, it seems like. I don't know when that happened, when he got that cut. I hadn't seen him licking that or anything. And but like, there's no blood, there's no nothing, and there should have been blood there. But and the cut looks clean, so whatever it was just something very sharp. You know, it could have been something underneath the deck that I can't see down there. So yeah. But I do hope that I can see Dr. Mansouri here before too long, to find out what's going on here with my head and my eye and my neck and that. Like, it's all interconnected, and I don't know what I don't know what it is. You know, is there a shortening in the muscles that govern the eye or the optic nerve? And that causes me pain. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm looking forward to seeing him. So, but at least now I know that the referral is in there. And we'll see. He runs a ophthalmology, concussion, neurology clinic. So, which is good because I've had many, many concussions. Could be all directed with that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So, I'm hoping this video is going to load up faster. So, if you're just passing through and you've come across my channel, thank you. Please consider subscribing, liking, and of course, sharing. Share, 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 share. Because the more it gets out there, the better it will be. I want to, it depends on how I feel today after I get my floors done, on whether or not I'm going to, I'd like to go and do a little bit of working on my junk journal. I'd like to try that again. And, oh, I keep watching and I keep getting, I keep getting more ideas and more ideas and more ideas. Like there's one, how to make a journal, or yeah, a junk journal, out of fabric placemats or out of plastic placemats, out of cereal boxes, cracker boxes, you know. Oh, gosh, there's so many ideas. And the good thing about that is you don't have to spend any money. If you've got a box of crackers or a box of cereal, you know, I always take, when I put cereal away, I take it out of the box anyways. I just leave it in the bag. And because it takes up less space. Besides that, I like to buy cereal already just in bags without the boxes. So, because they're cheaper. And, but you can make anything. You can use up, you know, if you have old letters and envelopes and, oh my gosh, what else can you use? Paper bags. So many other things. You know, I've got an empty bag that had Tim Hortons coffee in there. So I'm going to put that in one of my junk journals. Or I'm going to cut it apart or something. You know, or it'll make a nice pocket. Something like that. You know, like it's, yeah, it's whatever you like. I wish they wouldn't go for the plastic covered, you know, bags. I wish that they would go just like paper bags, you know, and because that cuts down on waste then too, right? And it's not just the waste of the material, it's also the waste of drinking water. On potable water, they are using good drinking water to manufacture something, and then it's just put down the sewer, or worse yet, put in the oceans or the lakes. You know, like that's just, I don't know. Such a waste. I hope this rain is not an indication of what this coming winter will be like. Oh, tomorrow is summer solstice. And for you in the southern hemisphere, it is the winter solstice. So after, I think it's tomorrow. No, today. 21st today? Yeah, I believe so. And that today is the longest day of the year. And in the southern hemisphere, it's the shortest day of the year. So you're going to be heading now towards your summer, whereas we're heading in towards our winter. So, but yeah. All right, I'm just going to quickly finish this. And then I will set about to posting this. And hopefully, like I said, it won't take much time. And I was going to clean my craft room, but nope. I do have a dedicated Facebook group, Stitching in the Interlake, and my email address is stitchingintheinterlake, all one word, @gmail.com. And you will find everything down below in the description box. So, yeah. All right. I guess this is it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue working with this yellow because it's terribly, it makes my eyes go wonky here with the background. So I don't know yet. I'll see. Because there's not that much that's of this yellow. So here, I'll show you. So see here, there's not that much. There's a little bit. It's mostly here in the hat. Oh, a little bit on his arm there. But yeah, so I may just continue, but it's hard to see for me. So, okay, everyone, I hope you all have a great day. So, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. May God bless you this day and every day. God loves you, and so do I. And so does Jonah Sir Whine-a-Lot. And Miss Twinkle Toes herself, Miss Lilybell. And I guess I will see you tomorrow, God willing, of course. So have a wonderful day, everyone. And yeah, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. Toodle-oodles, everybody.